Dave Porter here on location with vouchvideo.com. I'm here with one of the finest hardscape specialists, Rob Ambler from Ambler Industries. Rob, you're here to give us some tips on installing retaining walls the correct way. You do EP Henry retaining walls and Teco block retaining walls. In this particular case, you're working with EP Henry block. Tell us what we need to know not only about installing retaining walls like you've done here, but as well as repairing patios. You're on a patio repair job. I know you do new installs for patios and you also repair patios. Tell me why you're repairing so many patios.
A lot of times we get on site and find a lot of problems with the patios and the walls. Sometimes they forget to put fabric down, which is geofabric, which goes between the stone and the soil to keep it from settling in the future. The steps, as we're rebuilding these steps, need to be filled with filler block, not with stone, because that can't be compacted correctly. This was filled with stone. So we ripped everything out, rebuilding the steps, filling it with the filler block, so it's a nice solid structure. There's a lot of settling. They didn't do an over dig by the house, so we have to redo the foundation by the house to make sure that's done correctly.
Your company is clearly in it for the long term. People are talking about your patio designs, your outdoor living spaces that you're creating. You don't even need to go on vacation anymore because you can create it right in their backyard. Tell me about outdoor living today and what people are desiring to have done.
We're creating outdoor living spaces for 3 seasons. So all spring, all summer, and all fall, people can use their outdoor space as another room. They're transitioning from being inside a living room and a family room and going outside with a fire pit and a fireplace and outdoor lighting, and they can entertain out there, and people are just getting basically a brand new room outside, and it's great. You get the full effects of nature, and you can sit outside at night and you don't have to worry about being cold. If you had a fire feature, you can put in a kitchen and put in grills and all types of stuff to make it a full outdoor living space.
So tell me how far you'll travel for a patio install.
We're primarily in Bucks County and Montgomery County, but we will travel as far south as Philadelphia, out to central Jersey, out west a little bit, and up to the Poconos if the job's worth it. So we will travel for the hardscaping work.
Rob, what kind of projects are you taking on when it comes to working with these blocks?
We're taking on patios, walkways, retaining walls, garden walls, any type of outdoor living space, which would be kitchens, fireplaces, fire pits, paver driveways, basically anything where you need some pavers or some hardscaping in the outside.
Your experience goes a long way. You not only understand how to build it the correct way, but how to get longevity out of these projects. I mean, these projects are designed to last a lifetime in essence, but we're finding out that there's just many fly-by-night landscapers that don't have that long-term vision. The reality is, find someone that you can trust when it comes to installing any type of patio design, really is what it comes down to, and getting it done right with the right materials, not cutting corners, trying to save $1 in the end, 3-4 years from now. Now it costs several $1,000s to fix. Rob, I want to thank you for giving the tips that you've shared today. If you have an opportunity to make a call when it comes to landscaping design and patio design, you could not have a better person or more trusted member of our community to call. So Rob, I want to thank you
very
again.
much.